was young I used to spread my arms, close my eyes, and with ease I left my body and sailed up high over meadows, hills and trees, and I floated the world like an angel and looked out over the land, free as a bird soaring high, guided by my tilting hands. Free as a bird soaring high, guided by my tilting hands. Free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird. As years went by, I lost the knack of leaving my body with ease. My mind seems to wander as I'm getting older, but I miss sailing up on the breeze. And I wonder if there really are angels looking down over the land, free as birds soaring high, guided by their tilting wings. Free as birds soaring high, guided by their tilting wings. Free as birds, free as birds, free as birds. Free as birds, free as birds, free as birds. Was strange to say, the other day a good friend said to me, glistening eyes and real surprise, she says, you'll never guess what I've seen. I've just seen an angel, big and bright and over there, shining in light, he made my night, all I could do was stare. Shining in light, he made my night, and all I could do was stare. Now she's free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird. Free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird. Free as a bird, free as a bird, free as